Salam everyone. Today we are going to start with problem sums of exercise 3.4. We are going to start with the third sum, that is sum of two-digit number. So here it is given what? First of all, sum of two-digit number. Two-digit number means if I write 52, it's a two-digit number. If I write 21, it's a two-digit number. The sum of two-digit is what? 9. जो दो digits है उसका sum कितना हो रहा है? 9. Let's find it out directly. What might be its value? दो नंबर ऐसे लेने जिनका एडिशन क्या होना चाहिए? 9. For example, I can take 18, 1 plus 8, 9, 27, 2 plus 7, 9, 3 plus 6, 9, 4 plus 5 is also 9. I can't take 0, 9 because 0, 9 is not a two-digit number. So these are the possible values. Or if I reverse it, 1 8 becomes what? 8 1, 2 7 becomes what? 7 2, 3 6 becomes what? 6 3, 5 4 becomes what? 5 4. या तो ऐसे हो सकता है या तो ऐसे हो सकता है. So definitely your final answer will be out of this 8 numbers only because sum of the digit is what? 9. So I hope you understand the first segment. What does it mean? Sum of two digit is what? 9. So from this, I am going to assume here, let the unit digit be x. Unit digit means all this number. This 8, 7, 6, 5. This all are unit digit. Then the tens digit equals to what? Y. और tens digit को क्या लिया? Tens digit means all this number. This 1, 2, 3, 4. This all are tens and this all are unit digit. Now sum of the digit is what? 9. So we got directly the first equation. X plus y equals to 9. For example, I can write 3 plus 6 equals to what? 9, like this. Now the important part. Let's take any one example. Let's take this example. 2 7. Now if I want to expand this number, अगर मुझे इसे expand करना होगा, this is what? Unit and this is what? Tens digit. So for its expansion, it's 10 into 2. 10 2s are 20 plus 7. This is the expansion of this number. 27 क्या होगा? जो tens digit पे होगा, you have to multiply that number by 10 because it is at tens place और unit digit add होगा. So 10 into 2 20, 20 plus 7 27. Let's take this number 45. तो क्या होगा? 10 into 4 40, 40 plus 5. Let's take this 72. So it's 10 into 7 plus 2. So what is here? जो tens digit पे है वो किससे मल्टीप्लाई होता है? Tens है. So same way here the number which I wrote, tens digit पे क्या है? Y और unit digit पे क्या है? X. So tens digit is going to multiply with what? 10. So if I write like this yx, so it will be what? 10 into y plus unit digit. So this is my actual original number. Tens digit को मैंने क्या लिया है? y. Unit digit is what? x. तो y tens digit है और x क्या है? Unit digit. So 10 is always going to multiply with tens digit plus always unit digit. यहाँ पे देखो, if you look at here, 7 5 2. This all are unit digit. So all the unit digits we are adding. Here 2 4 7. This all are tens digit. तो सारे tens digit हमने किससे multiply किया? Tens है. So 10y plus x is the actual number. 10y plus x. So here we are going to write original number equals to 10y plus x. ये एक important था समझने के लिए. Now suppose if I reverse this, जो 2 7 है उसे मैंने क्या किया 7 2 4 5 है उसे क्या कर दिया 5 4, यहाँ पे जो 7 2 है उसे क्या कर दिया 2 7. So expansion of this will be what 10 into 7 plus 2, 54 means 10 into 5 plus 2, 10 into 2 plus 2. Similarly ये जो y x था अब रिवर्स करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा एक्स वाई. तो टेंथ डिजिट पे क्या आ गया यहाँ पे, नाउ x इज द टेंथ डिजिट एंड y इज द यूनिट डिजिट. सो 10x प्लस y. सो दिस इज व्हाट रिवर्स नंबर. रिवर्स नंबर में ये सारे रिवर्स है. 1 8 का रिवर्स 8 1, 2 7 का रिवर्स 7 2, 3 6 का रिवर्स 6 3, 4 5 का रिवर्स 5 4. तो these are all what reverse number of this original number. And if I take this one as original number, तो ये उसके सारे reverse हुए. So here we can write reverse number equals to, this is 10y plus x, so this is 10x plus y. This is original number and this is reverse number. Now we'll read out the second statement. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing order. So this is what 9 times what 9 times this number. This number means original number. 9 times the original number. 9 times the original number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order. Twice means double of what reversing the number. यहाँ पे जो reverse number होगा उसका twice. We already got the original number. Original number is 10y plus x. What is reverse number? 10x plus y. So 9 times of original equals to 2 times the reverse. So from data we can write 9 times original number, that is what 10y plus x is equal to 2 times the reverse number, 2 times the reverse. So by solving this I get one more equation. 9 into 10 90y, 9 into x 9x, 2 into 10 20x, 2 into y, it's 2y. So this is the way I got the equation here. So let's convert them into a standard form. Now take this 20x, take this both number over this side. तो क्या हो जाएगा? So take here 0. I am taking all this number over that side. 20x, this 9x will move that side, so minus 9x plus 2y, और ये 90 उधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा minus 90y. 20 minus 9 is 11x. 2 minus 90, 90 minus 2 is 88, so greater number sign. So I got one more equation, that is 11x 88y equals to 0. Say this is equation 2 and this equation is 1. Now again you can simplify this equation by taking common. Here 11, here 88. What is common here? Definitely 11 is common. So better we take x minus 8y equals to 0. We'll take this equation as what? 2, not this one. We take this equation as 2. Now solving 1 and 2, or by eliminating equation 1 and 2. X minus 8y equals to 0. X plus y equals to 9. Now here I have to change the sign. Why I have to change the sign? Here coefficient 1, here coefficient 1, both have same sign. So I am going to change its sign. So minus, minus, minus. So plus minus get cancelled. Minus 8 minus 1, minus 9y. And this is what? Minus 9. So now I got y equals to how much? This negative sign get cancelled. So 9y equals to 9. Therefore, y equals to 9 by 9. Y equals to 1. Now replace in this equation, first equation, that is x plus y equals to 9. Instead of y, it's 1. So x equals to 9 minus 1. X equals to what? 8. So I got y and x, both I got. But as per our supposition, x is what? Unit digit. X क्या था? X is unit digit. And y is what? Tens digit. Our question is find the number. हमें number ढूंढना है, not unit digit and tens digit. So you can replace, or you can replace in original number. So what is original number? 10y plus x. 10 की जगह 10. What is the value of y? 1. What is the value of x? 8. So 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 is the required number. So 1 plus 8 is how much? 9. So this is our answer. Original number is 18. That is the 18 is a 2-digit number whose sum is what? 9. So this is the way we can solve question number 3. Let's move to question number 4. So for you, this is an important step, this one. And this one for you people, how to form this one with example I had explained already. This is an important part. Whenever you're getting a question related to what? 2-digit number, mostly you're going to use this equation. For original number, 10y plus x, and for reverse number, 10x plus. Let's start with next example. This is Nina went to bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. So first of all, how much amount she wants? 2000 rupees from a bank. She asked cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes. तो उसे सिर्फ 50 के और 100 के नोट्स चाहिए only. Nina got 25 notes. Total how much notes she got? 25. Total she got 25 notes. Now out of this 25, we don't know how many notes are there of 50 and how many there are notes of 100. अब ये 25 नोट में कितने 50 के नोट्स हैं और कितने 100 के नोट्स हैं, that we don't know. So what you are going to take? Number of notes of rupees 50 we are going to take as x, and number of notes of 100 rupees equals to what? Y. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So we have to find out उसे कितने notes मिले होंगे 50 rupees के और 100 rupees के. That we have to find out the number of notes for 50 and 100. So from the first statement, I get the first. From the second statement, I get the first equation. She asked cashier to give rupees 50 and 100 notes. Meena got 25 notes in all. Total notes पता है हमें. So we'll assume here. Let the number of rupees 50 note equals to x, and number of rupees 100 notes equals to y. What is the sum total of the notes? It's 25. So x plus y equals to 25. We got the first equation. Now, just for example, Suppose if there is only one note of, this is number of notes, तो रुपीस कितना होंगे? सपोज नंबर ऑफ नोट्स फॉर 50 रुपीज, अगर एक नोट है तो अमाउंट कितना होगा? 50. दिस इज व्हाट अमाउंट. इफ इट इज 2 नोट्स तो कितना अमाउंट होगा? 100. इफ देयर आर 3 नोट्स ऑफ 50, 3 नोट होंगे, सो 3 इंटू 50, it's 150. If there are 4 notes of 50, so 4 into 50, amount कितना हो जाएगा? 200. But we don't know this number, so if I take x number of 50, तो 50 के नोट्स कितने हो जाएंगे? अमाउंट 50x. So 50x क्या है? It's amount, जो रुपीस के फॉर्म में होगा. 50 नोट्स कितने हैं? x. So 50 into x is what? It's total amount of 50 rupees note. Similarly for y, एक नोट that is of 100 rupees amount, तो y नोट के कितने होंगे? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, it's what? 100y. This is the amount. So amount we got already, 50x plus 100y. Therefore amount of rupees 50 notes equals to what? 50x. Amount of rupees 100 notes equals to what? 100y. Now what is the sum total is given? सब मिला के कितने हो रहे हैं? 2000. So sum total of this is 5x plus 100y equals to 2000. Now, is there anything common between them? Yeah, definitely. So this is, sorry, this is what? 50. Is there anything common between them? 50 is common. Divide whole equation both the side by 50. 50 ones are, 52s are, 54s are 200 and 0. So this is our second equation. ये इक्वेशन इंपोर्टेंट था. हाउ टू गेट दिस 50x प्लस 100y. ये अमाउंट है 50 रुपए के, टोटल ये अमाउंट होगा 100 का टोटल अमाउंट 100y, और दिस टोटल अमाउंट वी गॉट फ्रॉम द स्टेटमेंट. सो नाउ इट इज पॉसिबल टू एलिमिनेट दिस. सो x प्लस y and x plus 2y equals how much? 40. Subtract them because both have same sign. Minus 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 0. Minus 2y plus y is minus y. Minus 40 plus 25 is minus 15. So y equals to 15. So I got the number of 100 rupees note. Now replace in this equation. X plus y is how much? टोटल 25 नोट थे. x we don't know, y is 15. if I take 15 over this side, माइनस हो जाएगा 25 minus 15, x equals to 10. so what does it mean? 50 से कितने नोट्स है? 10. so our statement is what? final statement. how many notes of rupees 50? so we have to write final statement. there are 10 notes of rupees 50 and 50 notes of rupees 100. This is the important statement for problem sums. Always you have to conclude your answer with statement. So this is the way we can solve question number 4. Let's solve only equation for this question number 2. And last video we have done same type of question. Now here 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So ये 2 persons are there. We have to find out present age of Nuri and Sonu. So let the present age of Nuri is what? X, and present age of Sonu equals to y years. Now 5 years ago means before 5 years, Nuri's age अभी x है तो 5 साल पहले कितना होगा? x minus 5. What about Sonu's age? Before 5 years is y minus 5. Now as per the statement, 5 years ago Nuri was thrice. What does it mean? The age of Nuri is 3 times the age of Sonu. ये 3 गुना हुआ. So for example, this is if she is of 30, then Sonu is of 10. So we have to multiply 3 to the age of Sonu. So here it's Nuri and here it's Sonu. Nuri's age is x minus 5. Sonu's age is y minus 5. So where I am going to multiply 3 to the age of Sonu to make them equal. Nuri 3 times, तो age Sonu का 3 times हो गया. So x minus y equals to 3y minus 15. So take this 3y over this side and minus 5 over that side. So x minus 3y equals to minus 5 will move that side. Becomes what? Plus 5. Therefore, we got one more segment. X equals to x minus 3y equals to minus 10. So this will be our first equation. Now for second condition, 10 years later. So after 10 years, age will be what? Here Nuri and here Sonu. After 10 years, the age of Nuri will be what? X plus 10, and age of Sonu will be y plus 10. Now as per condition, 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So she is what? Twice after 10 years. So we have to multiply 2 to the age of Sonu. ये 2 times थी Nuri, so हमने Sonu को 2 times कर दिया. So x plus 10 2y plus 20. Therefore x minus 2y, 10 will move that side, 20 minus 10. So x minus 2y equals to 10. Say this is equation 2. And now from this equation 1 and 2, you can easily eliminate what? X. And from x you get the value of y. So this is the way we can do question number 2. Let's start with example 5. A lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days. So in a library, as per the rule, पहले 3 दिन के लिए they have a fixed charge and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Means 3 दिन से ज़्यादा अगर books रखा अपने पास, then they have to pay for each and every day. Suppose they had kept for 5 days. Suppose a boy took the book and kept for 5 days, means first day, second day, third day. तो ये तीनों दिन के लिए जो पैसे होते हैं, that is all is fixed. Let's take that fixed price as what? X. तो कितने दिन एक्स्ट्रा रह गए यहाँ पे? 4th and 5th. तो ये हर एक दिन का उसे पे करना है. As per the statement, an addition charge for each day thereafter. 3 दिन के बाद जितने दिन एक्स्ट्रा देंगे, हर दिन उसे पैसे देना है. So per day, how much they are taking? Let's take the rupees as what? Y. For per day, for 1 day, we are going to assume that charges as what? Y. So charge for each extra day is what? Y. एक दिन के लिए y, then 2 days के लिए कितना हो जाएगा? It becomes 2y. Because suppose somebody kept for 5 days, 3 दिन का तो फिक्स ही है x रुपीज, और 2 दिन रखे तो 2 दिन में कितना पे करना होगा? 2y. If it is extra 3 days, then it's 3y. If it is extra 5 days, then 5y. Suppose somebody kept for 10 days, तो 3 दिन के लिए चार्जेस कितना होगा? x. How many days left? 7 days left. So 7 into y. तो टोटल चार्ज क्या हो जाएगा? x plus 7y. This is only the example. Now we are going to read as per the statement. This is just like that taxi for fixed charge for some distance, and fixed charge and some charges will depends on what? Distance on kilometer. It's basically like that only. Let's start with the first statement. I mean second statement. Sarita paid rupees 27. So how much she paid here? 27 rupees pay किए for a book kept for 7 days. उसे कितने दिन रखा है? 7 days. While Susie paid rupees 21. 27, this is 21, 8 is 7 days. Rupees 21 for a book she kept for how many days? 5 days. What does it mean? Let's make it short as Sarita, and here for how many days she kept? 7 days. कितने दिनों के लिए रखा? 7 days. So for 3 days is a fixed charges. That is what? X. So how many days left here? 4 days are left. So for each extra day, how much we going to assume as x? तो क्या हो जाएगा इक्वेशन? x plus 4y. How much she total paid? x plus 4y equals to 27. So this is your first equation. Now for Susie, how many days she kept? 5 days. So 3 days, that is fixed. For that fixed 3 days, how much cost? Charges? X. How many days left? 5 minus 3, 2 days left. So 2 days कितना charges होगा? 2y. Because charges per day is how much? Y. Equals to, that is what? 21. So these are the required equation from the given statement. So let's write down this same statement here. How to write in exam or for solution. Let the fixed charge be rupees x and charges for each extra day equals to rupees y. For Sarita, total days is what? She kept for 7 days. Therefore, we can write number of extra day is what? Extra day is 7 minus 3. 4 days. For Sarita, 7 days she kept. So number of extra days is what? 7 minus 3. It is 4 days. Therefore, we can write fixed charge is 4 into y. How 4y? एक दिन का y rupees, 4 days का 4y. So x plus 4y. How much she paid? 27. Now similarly, we can write for Susie. She kept for how many days? 5 days. Number of extra days is how much? 5 minus 3, 2 days. So equation becomes for 3 days x, for 2 days it's 2y equals to 21. Say this is equation 1 and this is equation 1 and equation 2. From this equation 1 and 2, it is possible to find the value of fixed charge and the charges for each extra day. That is what y. So this is the way we can solve question number 5th. In this sum, the only important thing student used to forget how to find this extra days, that you have to understand. Last one of exercise 3.4. If we add, take all the numbers, if we add 1 to the numerator में 1 add हो रहा है, and subtract 1 from denominator. So directly we can start. Let the numerator equals to x, denominator equals to y. We have to add 1 to the numerator. न्यूमरेटर में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो x प्लस 1, सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 फ्रॉम डिनोमिनेटर, सो y माइनस 1. फ्रैक्शन रिड्यूस टू 1, फ्रैक्शन क्या हो जाता है 1. सो y माइनस 1 विल मूव दिस साइड, 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो वही रहेगा x प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू y माइनस 1, x माइनस y, इस माइनस 1, ये माइनस 1 इधर, सो x माइनस y इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2. Similarly, for second statement, it becomes 1 by 2 if we add 1 to denominator. What is the fraction? अब क्या हो रहा है? Fraction becomes 1 by 2 if we add 1 to the denominator. तो न्यूमरेटर ऐसे ही रहेगा, डिनोमिनेटर में 1 ऐड करना है. Fraction becomes 1 by 2. Cross multiply the 2x equals to y plus 1. 2x minus y equals to 1. So this is equation 2. So eliminate both the equation. X minus y equals to minus 2. 2x minus y equals to 1. Change the sign. Minus plus minus. So this get cancelled. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus x, greater number sign, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So x equals to 3. So I got numerator how much? 3. Now replace this value in any other equation. Take this equation, x minus y equals to minus 2. X की जगह पे 3. 3 will move that side, minus 2, minus 3. Y equals to minus 5, y equals to 5. Question is what is the fraction? So numerator is 3, so the required fraction is numerator upon denominator is 3 by 5. This is our answer. So this is the way we can solve first one, which is very simple.